What's up, family? I'm coming to you with another video. Vicky. All right, so I'm doing another makeup look, and it's going to be a matchy matchy one. But first, let's get these brows in order, okay? I'm using the LA Girl concealer in Fawn, and on top, though, I'm using a different one that's my skin tone, which is from Too Faced Born This Way, or it is Too Faced Born This Way, and it's Chestnut. So I'm putting that on my whole lid as well. Now, here's where the eyes start. Now, you guys don't have to use the exact same colors I use. Just find you a palette with similar colors. So I did a contour, and now I kind of call this the half and half, the 50-50, okay? So I'm putting black eyeshadow on the outer V and kind of taking it almost halfway. And then I found a blue that I really like because it's like a purple-based blue that kind of matches my hair and my shirt. So hashtag winning, hashtag score. So I'm putting that on the other half, but I kind of blend that out, right? So that it blends together seamlessly so that it doesn't look like I just did a line here and a line there. And so what you do onto one, you do onto the other. And now I'm taking like a brush that's more precise, and I was blending some brown around it, and then the brow bone highlight, and boom, what is that? Girl, that's my mirror, girl, from CK Cosmetics. I'm getting my lashes out of there. I put on some primer. I told y'all these videos be moving quick. Anyway, we're putting corrector because we're literally erasing the dark spots. See what I'm saying? I'll be telling y'all, watch, just watch. Look at this, peep game. Look. You see it. Look at the difference. If you are not correcting, don't do yourself a disservice. Get you some corrector, girl. So now we are using the Patrick Star One Size BBB cream. I forget the shade mine is in, but I will give you all the deets in the caption, the description somewhere, because this video is going all over the web, okay? The World Wide Web. Now we are using a highlighter. This is Too Faced Born This Way. This is in the shade Butterscotch. So I'm blending that out. And then I'm going to set that with my Graftobian powder and my Sasha Cosmetics. And then we're going to just kind of bake a little. Now I'm blending that out with my Fenty powder, doing a little bit of contour with that Fenty Mamma Mia or Mocha Mami or something like that. Then you got to set it and forget it. That's that Morphe, okay? That continuous spray. And then voila, we're all done.